Alright, so today is a pretty important day. I have lots of stuff that I need to tell you guys, and I'm here in Orlando visiting my girlfriend's new townhouse. And well, yeah, we're just gonna do a bunch of shit. We're gonna get through the morning because we just woke up, and then I will tell you guys why today is so important. And yeah, so stick around. That was pretty delicious. Now we're gonna go to this mailbox, pick up some stuff, and then we'll probably go to like a park later. Sorry about that, how's it going?
Oh, no problem.
The package is here.
Natalie doesn't know how to ride a board. She's having a hard time. She'll get the hang of it eventually, I'm sure. I hope, I don't know. Alright, so we just went to that other, like, it was like this East End market. It was just like a hipster market little place. It's really cool, got some footage. And then we saw this like ad for this other like flea market that was going on in downtown Orlando. So that's what we're doing now, this flea market right here. Hey, alright! Just locked my car. So now we're gonna have this little, like, I guess a picnic, I guess is what you would call it. So, why is today so special? We're here at the park, we're having some sandwiches. Lovely little date. Thank you for joining me. Well, about a year ago, I started vlogging, and I did it for about 2 months, and honestly, I had a really great time doing it, and everything was going pretty well for me at the time, and so I didn't want to stop, but I had to leave my job. I was unemployed for a little bit, and I had to figure out what I was going to do. I decided I was going to try to freelance, you know, do as much video work, photography work, all that. I wasn't making enough money to save up a lot, and I was under a lot of pressure every month to really have to go search for gigs and like really hustle. I started applying for a couple of like full-time positions as an editor. I applied for this one company, it's like a health and fitness company, and within a week they basically hired me. Working like full-time has opened a lot of doors for me and has like taught me a lot about editing, and like I've sharpened my skills a lot. I have been able to save a lot of my salary. I've just focused on keep learning things and keep saving money while I decide what my next like move is gonna be, you know? Anyway, I'm kind of veering off track here, but basically I want to continue making videos on this channel, and I want to set my goal. Even while I work full time, I'm gonna try to do maybe at least like 1 video a week. You know, I might even change the name soon. I shouldn't say yet, that'll be a surprise. And I want to start showing and teaching you guys exactly how I'm living, because it's very valuable what I'm doing, and showing other people that there are ways to make just the lifestyle of being a filmmaker, trying to start your own business and doing all that stuff. There's a way to do it, and I might not be doing it like the best way, but that's why I want to show everyone what exactly I'm doing. And that was kind of the idea like last year when I started the vlog. I mean, I was actually really proud of myself trying to do those vlogs, and that's why I want to go back to it. Our sandwiches are getting cold, so maybe we're just gonna enjoy the rest of our picnic here. But thank you guys for watching this. I'm back, you know, I'm gonna try to come back, maybe not vlogs every single day, just whatever I want to make a video about. And so that's what this video is gonna be about for now. Yeah, do you have anything you'd like to say? No? No? Oh man, you just got so red. She's freaking out, she's like really hungry. We're gonna just enjoy the rest of this picnic, so thank you guys again. Yeah, we'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.